All right, so Jordi is looking for an email-based subscription tracker. It should connect to Gmail, auto-detect subscriptions, store it in a database, and send monthly summaries of whatever I'm paying for. Well, let's go ahead and build it. Now, this took me 10 minutes to build. I've got multiple emails which are receiving subscription updates, so I added 2 triggers for 2 different emails right here. As soon as we get an update on any of those subscriptions, we append a new row to our database, which is in this case a Google Sheet. Keep it simple, right? We then get the current overview, which is another sheet with all the currently active subscriptions. And as soon as we have that, we update the sheet accordingly and send myself a quick message about the update. Now we have a different workflow inside the same Lindy, which happens every single month to get that overview of our current active subscriptions, then analyze that data and send me a report based on that through Slack each and every month. Pretty simple to build. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry it's not with Supabase, but I think Google Sheets should be fine as well.